Hi, my name's John. Welcome to the first Sunday and Friday, which means it's time for my free monthly draw. I'm going to go upstairs, press some buttons on the computer and see if we can generate a winner. Right, Richard Jones, all you have to do is send me an email. That's my email address up there, and I'll get this posted off to you as soon as possible. I'm going to do another draw this next month. In fact, it's this month. If you want to enter the draw, it's really simple. All you have to do is obviously watch the video, like the video, and share it to your friends. In the comment box, you must write a comment, and the comment must say this, wrote exactly this way. It's 2025 gave away 2. 2025 gave away 2. That goes into my computer and it picks out a random winner from that. I'm going to show you the prizes now for this month's giveaway. These are the prizes for this month's giveaway. I've got a double boost cap, a nice little deburring tool given it by my friend Rob at Extreme Plasma, a really handy bit of kit. Set of Cleveland twist drills, nice drills, work very well. And to keep our twist drills alive, a little bottle of anchor lube. If you want to buy anchor lube, go on eBay, type in anchor lube, or just type in this number here, it'll take you straight to it.